Kwa Ramogi motelo ne migago marudichi makawuono twak mobedo achiel kachiel Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod Ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga obedo kod twak makanyakla e kar jot ma Jatend piny mantiere Mombasa. E kinde twak margi, Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod Raila Odinga nyiso chiwruok margi e ruyo ganda jo Kenya bang' Raila nyochore midoloche kom mar kuku mar riwruok pinje Afrika mano AUC. Raila ogero kamano ne William Ruto kuom sire ka Ruto bende opako Raila kuom chiwruok mare ne manyo kom mar AUC. Mae kaka ne twak obedo.
So I told them that, look, if we win in Addis, we will have succeeded. But if we don't win, if we lose, we will not have succeeded. Right? Because we will have other jobs to do. We'll come back home and do other things. So we have succeeded because they will now come back home to enjoy new people here, back home. So I am very grateful to be back home. I want to thank again my brother, younger brother, President William Ruto, who stood by me. He never asked me to run. I announced myself that I was going to run for this position of chair of African Union Commission. And they only came after I made the announcement to say that he was supporting my candidature. And he did support my candidature not just by words, but by deeds. He put up the machinery to help the campaign for me. I've seen billions being said, quoted. Somebody's talking about 13 billion shillings spent on the Raila campaign. I don't know in which world those guys live on, whether they know what a billion means. A billion shillings to do what? The money that was spent was the money that was necessary just to hire transport to travel around. And we were not living luxuriously. We were eating whatever was given to us wherever we went to. And many other African countries were very generous. They provided us accommodation and so on. So, but the government gave what was required.
When Prime Minister Raila Odinga announced that he wanted to run for the position of Africa Union Commission chair, as president and leader of this country, Raila Odinga being a leader in our country and a candidate, I took the position that this was not about Raila Odinga the person, it was equally about Kenya the country. And we processed his candidature through cabinet, and cabinet took the decision that we were going to deploy support from the government of Kenya, as has been done before, to support the candidature of Raila Odinga. I am very proud that Raila Odinga put forth a formidable, serious candidature across the African continent. He was available for all the appointments that were made for him. He made journeys on air and on the road to different capitals, different cities, to canvass his candidature on his own behalf and on behalf of Kenya. His candidature brought all Kenyans together. I think his candidature attracted support from the different political sides, people in the opposition, people in government, everybody. We were united behind the candidature of Raila Odinga for the Africa Union Commission chair.